circulation to the scalp, which can promote healthy hair growth. Clove also has antimicrobial properties that help keep the scalp clean, reducing dandruff or buildup. For low porosity hair, its strength in enhancing scalp health makes it a great addition.
Hello my people, how are you all doing? I hope everyone is doing well. In today's video, actually I'm making hibiscus and clove oil. So before starting it, guys, if you know that you haven't subscribed to my channel, this is your first time crossing this channel, please kindly do me a favor, subscribe to my channel, like it and share for me. Thank you very much for your lovely support. Well guys, I'm not going to take your time. I will just go ahead and call Jeff. I want to hear what Jeff is going to say about the oils and the ingredients that I'm going to use to infuse this oil. Actually, this oil, I'm infusing it for my daughter. So let us listen to what Jeff is going to say.
Clove and hibiscus infusing oil. These are the oil that I'm going to use to infuse it. Aloe vera oil, organic oil, jojoba oil, and almond oil. I'm infusing it for my daughter's head. Is it good for the low porosity head? And if it is good, what are the benefits of those oil and the ingredients that I'm going to use? Now, can you please break it down for me and my audience? Thank you.
Each of the ingredients you're using has its unique benefits, and they're generally suitable for low porosity hair because they're light and can penetrate the hair without weighing it down. Let me break it down for you and your audience.
Okay.
Clove. Clove is known for its ability to stimulate hair growth. It improves blood circulation to the scalp, which can promote healthy hair growth. Clove also has antimicrobial properties that help keep the scalp clean, reducing dandruff or buildup. For low porosity hair, its strength in enhancing scalp health makes it a great addition. Hibiscus. Hibiscus is fantastic for moisture retention, which is essential for low porosity hair. It's rich in vitamins A and C, which help to condition and strengthen the hair. It can also improve shine, making hair look more vibrant and healthy. Hibiscus is also known for promoting hair thickness, which is always a plus. Aloe vera oil. Aloe vera is a hydrating ingredient that adds moisture without being too heavy. It helps to lock moisture in, which is especially helpful for low porosity hair that often struggles to retain moisture. Aloe vera also soothes the scalp, reduces itching, and may help with any dryness or irritation. Organic oil. If you're using a light organic oil, such as olive oil, it can help to seal moisture into the hair. Olive oil is nutrient-rich with vitamins like E and K, and is good for strengthening the hair, reducing frizz, and adding shine. Jojoba oil. Jojoba oil is very similar to the natural oils produced by the scalp. It's lightweight, and can easily penetrate low porosity hair without leaving a greasy feel. Jojoba is excellent for balancing the scalp's natural oils, which helps prevent dandruff and dryness. Almond oil. Almond oil is packed with nutrients, including vitamins E, A, and B, which promote hair strength and health. It's light enough for low porosity hair, and it can help with detangling, adding shine, and preventing breakage. Overall benefits for low porosity hair. This blend is fantastic because it provides moisture, scalp health, shine, and growth support. It's a well-rounded infusion that won't weigh down Jav's hair. You can apply a small amount to her scalp and ends, and then cover her hair with a cap to let it absorb fully. Would you like ideas on how to present this info for your video?
Yes.
Or maybe specific tips for infusion?
Maybe you can tell how to prevent it. Or because of its dry ingredients, there's no any problem.
Spoilage issues compared to fresh ones, which makes them more stable for infusion. However, there are still a few tips to keep the oil fresh and effective. 1. Dry ingredients. Make sure your clove and hibiscus are completely dry before adding them to the oil. Even a small amount of moisture can sometimes lead to mold or bacteria growth over time. 2. Sterilize the jar. Use a clean, dry jar to prevent any contamination. You can sterilize it by rinsing with boiling water, then drying it thoroughly before adding your ingredients. 3. Store in a cool, dark place. To keep your infused oil fresh, store it in a dark bottle or a cool, dark place, like a cupboard. Light and heat can break down the oils and reduce their effectiveness over time. 4. Strain if needed. If you see any particles from the dry ingredients after infusion, strain them out. Leaving too many particles can sometimes lead to buildup or residue when applying the oil. 5. Use within a few months. While dry ingredient infusions last longer, it's best to use them within 3 to 6 months for maximum potency. Following these steps should help keep the oil fresh and safe for Jav's hair. Would you like more info on when or how often to apply it for the best results?
Yes.
Apply the oil once or twice a week. Since low porosity hair doesn't absorb oils as easily, this frequency will give her hair the right amount of moisture without causing buildup. 2. Warm the oil slightly. Before applying, you can warm the oil a bit. Just make sure it's not too hot. Warming helps low porosity hair absorb the oil better, as it opens the cuticles slightly, allowing the oil to penetrate more deeply. 3. Focus on the scalp and ends. Gently massage the oil into her scalp for a few minutes to stimulate blood flow.
Thanks for watching, guys.